Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this Realme Narzo 50A Prime smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can change the screen timeout value to never. If we will open up the display settings of this device, the screen timeout option at the display settings, we'll see that the maximum value that we can set is 30 minutes. So in order to set it to never, we will use the help of the third-party Play Store app that is free, that is called Caffeine. So type in Caffeine at the search bar of your Play Store. That is the app that we are looking for. Click on install, wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. It will take like no more than a few seconds, as you can see. And all that it's left to do is to open up this application, tap on Don't Show Again, and make sure that at the timeout category of general settings of Caffeine application, the infinite value is set. Once the infinite value is set, as long as the Caffeine app itself is active and running, that means that your screen will not turn off automatically, never. Alright, so that was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave your like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye!